Vacuum Cleaner Dust HEPA Filter for Ilife A9s A9 A80 Plus A10s L100 A80 Max Robotic Vacuum Cleaner Parts Dustbin Filters HEPA Filter for Ilife A9s A9 A80 Plus A10s L100 A80 Max Robotic Vacuum Cleaner Parts. The Ilife A9s, A9, A80 Plus, A10s, L100, and A80 Max are all popular robotic vacuum cleaners. They all have one thing in common: they require HEPA filters to keep your home clean. HEPA filters trap dust, dirt, and allergens, so they're essential for people with allergies or asthma. The Ilife A9s, A9, A80 Plus, A10s, L100, and A80 Max all use the same type of HEPA filter. This is good news, because it means that you can use any of the filters listed below with any of